Hello friends, my name is Audrey and you're watching Infovids. And before we start this tutorial, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever heard of color isolation? The practice of focusing on just one color of an object or person to give it that stunning effect. Well, believe it or not, that's what we're going to be doing here. Here are some examples. Seems pretty mind-blowing, right? Well, it only takes a few steps. Stay with me till the end if you want to know how. Alright, so I'm going to be using Wondershare Filmora. Believe me, it's an amazing video editor that you can use to make any video edits, ranging from the simplest of presentations to blockbuster movies. There should be a link in the description of this video leading you to its official site, so you can download it. Once you download it and set it up, follow these steps. Now, there are actually two ways that you can do color isolation, and the first one is the most fastest. You need a green screen video and then a background. Drag and drop your background and then your green screen video. Then double click on your green screen video and tick in the chroma key. Select the proper green to take out and adjust the other settings where you see fit. Once you do this, click on the color tab and change its saturation to a higher level. Double click on the background video and click on its color tab. Then change its saturation level all the way down. Make a new project and import all the videos that you'll be using. As you see here, I've done exactly that. Now drag and drop one video on the timeline. Then make a new track above the first one and then duplicate your video there. Double click on the topmost video, then tick in the chroma key option. Then color pick the color you want to isolate. You should see some change on your video already. Disable the visibility of your first track now, and now you'll see the video on the top has black patches from the color that you've taken out. If your chroma key needs manipulating, then change the offset, tolerance, edge thickness and feather to get the color more accurately. Then head on to the color tab and shift the saturation down completely. After this, double click on the video on the first track. Make sure that its visibility is on. Head into its color tab and shift the saturation all the way up. You could also change the brightness and contrast to make the color stand out more. Think of it this way. Your video on your first track changes isolated colors, and the video on your second track changes the environment around it. That's not the color you selected. The last thing to do is to export your video. Click on the export button and then make sure everything in the export dialog box seems good to you. Change your export file name and where it saves it. Then once you do this, click on the export button and wait for it to export. Once it's done exporting, click on the Find Target button and wait for the File Explorer to open up. Once you've found your video, play it back and enjoy your stunning results. And that was that for color isolation. 2 steps, but they were amazingly simple, right? I hope you've learned something new and you got what you were looking for. Give this video a like and send us a comment. Is there something we've missed out? Do you want a further insight on a specific tool? Point that out to us and we'll have a look at it. And if you already haven't, don't forget to subscribe to Infovids, where we teach subjects ranging around photo editing, audio editing, and video editing. We post frequently, and to be in the know of our latest videos, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on anything we have to offer. And if you don't see what you're looking for in our channel, then send us a comment in one of our videos, and we'll definitely take a look. This was Audrey, and you were watching Infovids. See you guys in another tutorial.